Hello everyone, I'm Samantha, and today I'm going to tell you about another interesting strategy. But before we start, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested in joining to my private Telegram group where I share all my trades for free, you can text me on Telegram so I personally answer you and add you to my private group with signals. Don't forget that there is a limit of just 100 people, so you need to hurry up to get there. Let's get to it. So, we only need 3 tools for this strategy, namely Fractal, Moving Avenger, that is the moving average, and Williams arm. So let's move on to setting them up. Fractal, we put period 2 in style. You can change the color, but I did not change the color because this color suits me. In the average moving line, we put a period of 49. Moving Avenger SMA also advises changing the style to white or blue so that they do not merge with the fractal and with things. Also, Williams are we set up for a period of 6 in styles, specifically 10, -10, 95. So let's get down to the strategy itself. As we can see, we have a corridor that forms a fractal. By the way, I want to warn you that in this strategy we do not trade for 5-10% of your deposit, we only trade for 1%. Due to the fact that we set only a time frame of 10 seconds and their expiration time is 1 minute, that is 6 candles. You can set any other time frame, but you should have their expiration time of 6 candles. I also want to warn you that if the candle is above the average moving line, then we are trading down. If they are lower, then they are on the rise, as in previous strategy which I told in the last video. Also, if the candle is in such a merge position, that is, it crosses the average moving line, then we simply do not enter this deal at all, either up or down. We skip it because it is in an uncertain position, and we can say, as we see here, it is an example. The price went up and it came out of the fractal channels, reached a certain mark, and then a red candle was formed, to which we would immediately have to open for a decrease. That is how the price came out of the fractal channel and fixed. A new candle is formed which goes in our direction for you. We are opening down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We would have already closed the deal in the black. How can we observe here? The price came out of the fractal channel, so here I finished my upward movement from the red candle, so after which another red and a few more red things. That is, here and somewhere here we could open down and earn another plus to our balance, so namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here on this candle we would have taken our balance, so it works in all cases that we can find when we can make sure that the price has actually left the channel. So the main thing is to wait for the very moment that it came out, fix it, and returns to our channel. As we can see, there are such moments in which it is unclear whether the price came out or not. As we can see here, the price went down out of the channel, so here it had a reversal immediately. If we traded here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would have been closed here already, and the deal would have been our plus. As we can see, there are again incomprehensible fragments, that is, the price came out. It is about the average moving line, that is, we should in theory open for a decrease, but nothing is clear here. So here's an interesting point. Yeah, our price came out just a little bit, but at this point we could also make money. That is, it came out from the red candle and we opened and immediately went down. Immediately it breaks through the middle line and goes down. And here is another example. The price broke through the channel and opened for an increase, but due to the fact that our price is above the average moving line, we did not open here because the price is higher, so we should open lower, and it is just a breakout. The price reached the very maximum, a red candle was formed, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th candle, we would be in the black. I also ask you to pay attention and always pay attention to Williams. That is, the price should not be above the overbought zone and not below the oversold zone. So that is, there are moments when the price is too overbought, too oversold. So that is, here it was overbought and it immediately began to move down. Just the same, another interesting point with which one could enter. Our price is above the average moving line. It came out of the fractal channel. The deal was just working. Here on this little red candle, we went and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we would already be close in a plus. So let's get back to practice. And then we have one theory now. I will find some interesting deal and I will come back to you. So immediately an interesting deal. That is, our price has left the channel just below the average moving line, formed a red candle. After it is immediately green, red again on this red candle. At the opening, I immediately opened up for promotion. As we can see, I accidentally bet $200, although I should have bet $100, so this is 1% of my balance. I almost did not fulfill the condition of money management, because of which I could lose my budget very much if I lost it. As we can see, the price has come out. I immediately went in and took the plus $184. So I traded right now budget. So let's move on to more interesting moments. Now we have to upgrade, and I think we will open for a downgrade. Yeah, we have a red candle, the price is above the middle line, and we're opening for a decline. So as we can see, the strategy is really working, and it is also simple. The main thing is to understand. Here we missed the deal a little bit. Just a minute ago it was relevant, but no longer. Time has a very strong influence on us here, so the price has left the zone. We will trade for a decrease immediately with the opening of a new red candle. We are waiting to open for a reduction. That is the price, that is the candle should at least open red and close red. As we can see, I opened a red candle and we are going down to the average moving line. Let's get back to you in just half a minute so that you can see the process of closing the deal. 1, 0, and here we are still closed and $92 has been added to our balance, and from the price came out. So we are waiting for the closing of this candle and waiting for the opening of the red color of the candle. It is even now relocated red, that is the next candle is red. We will open for a downgrade and come back to you later. Half a minute. As you can see, it is a very successful entry point because the red candle opens immediately with my entry point. That is, we have the same level with it and only a few seconds remain. Still won $92 to our balance. As we can see, the price has broken through the channel. We're waiting for the green candle, which is now being formed, and we open together with a new 3, 2, 1, 0. We open together with a new candle to increase, as we see Williams. The upward movement confirms us, so the price returns to the channel and only a few seconds remain. Our deal closes in a plus, great, plus $92 to our balance, and we move on to the search and another transaction, another currency pair that we will be interested in. So an interesting pair is the dollar against the ruble. So now we are waiting for the green candle to close and we will open for an increase so that the price returns to its own. Because Williams shows us the movements even up, it's back now showing it. Now we are waiting for this candle to close and open. It is raising 3, 2, 1 to raise, and we take our $92 to the balance of 92. To our balance, more has been added. I suggest we go through the currency pairs we are interested in again. Now we are waiting for the red candles to open and the red candles to close, which will show us that the price has gone down. And it seems to me, here it is, this red candle is opening down and we are waiting for our 6 candles. And then we will take our business with $92 plus 2 with balance. You can immediately draw your attention to the indicator William, that is the price was in the overbought zone for several seconds, which is why it just left the fractal channel and returns to it lower as it shows us. Okay, William, and the deal opens for a decrease because the price is above the average moving line. I think you understood everything. If something wasn't clear to you, leave your questions in the comments and I will definitely answer them. And this is where I end my video. So if you liked it, please press like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.